Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Richard Smallwood's I Love the Lord, as recorded by Whitney Houston. This song is going to be in the key of C, and then it's going to modulate to C sharp. Okay. So I'm going to provide a MIDI file in the description and in the comments. So if you want a further breakdown, you can go ahead and grab that. All right, so let's get into the song. For the intro, we're going to be playing, it's an F13 sus. So on your right hand, you're going to be playing a G minor. Your left hand, you're going to be playing an E flat with an F on the bass. And that gets you an F13 sus. So you're going to play... You're going to play an E flat chord on your right hand. Alright, that's going to basically be an F chord over a G chord. And then we're going to go resolve to the C, add 2 with an arpeggio on the left hand. Alright, then the next one, you're going to be playing that F13 again, a little bit lower. You're going to be playing an E flat chord on your right hand, E flat on your left with the F on the bass. Now an F major 9 to a G minor 7 to the C, add 2. Okay, so then the verse of the song, you're going to be playing C. You're going to drop the C notes to B. Then you're going to go an F over A. Then you're going to drop to an, F diminished over A flat. Then we're going to go to a C over G. You're going to play a G note in your bass. Then you're going to play a D chord over C. Alright, so let me play that through again. That's how it sounds at full speed. So then you're going to play in your right hand. We'll play the sus. Then you're going to go to a G over B, add 2. He. Then a G9 sus. Heard my cry. Alright, then you're going to do this here. Okay, and he did. So you see how I'm doing that inner movement on the C. Then you go to the E minor 7. And you're going to play the D to C. Then you go to F. Going to be playing a G over an F. To an E minor 7, to an A minor 7, but you're going to play this lick here. To a D minor 7. And I really love this here. You're going to be playing basically an F over A to a G over B to C. But you're going to make it a little bit classical. You're going to go... So let's go through that again. Okay, you got that. Now, as long as you're going to go to C over E. So you go to F, as long as I live. Then you're going to go to... It's a C minor chord over E flat. Now you're going to go to a D chord, which is basically playing a C chord over D. But you're going to play a sus. So it's a C sus 2. And then D over F sharp. Troubles rise. you're going to play this G chord here. You're going to be going on your left hand, you're doing the arpeggio. Right hand, you're playing the G chord. And then you're going to go to this very awesome, it's an F9 13, but you're going to play it in an arpeggio. On your left hand, you're going to go, wait. So G, sorry, so again, let's go through that. It's roughly like that. You can go through the MIDI file and get it exactly as recorded. So then you're going to go through a 7/3/6. So to A7, flat 9, and then you're going to play that same A7 flat 9. Actually, you just put a G diminished over D to D minor, walk up to E over C. Now you're going to do this lick really quick here. C9 13 to F6 9, then a 2/5 to G sus to his throne. Okay, let me go through that section again. B minor 7 flat 5, E7, and notice I'm playing the melody on the top. So on the chords, okay, and then we're going to go to C over B flat as we're changing into C sharp. Then we're going to play an F sharp chord over A flat. By the way, that's a great chord to borrow anytime you want to switch keys. You know, you play a chord, play the flat 7 on the bottom, then you go to the sus 9 14 or the 11 chord, and then now you're in the next key. And you're going to play basically the same exact chords that we played already in C, but in D flat. Okay, so let me play through that a little bit more slowly. That was a bit too fast there for you. So let's see. We're in C sharp. So then we're going to play the D flat. F sharp over B flat. D flat over A flat. You're going to play an E flat over D flat. A flat. He heard my D flat. E flat minor 7, F minor 7, to F sharp, and that's an A flat over F sharp, to the B minor 7, to the E flat minor, and then same move. So that's an F sharp over B flat, da, 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 to A flat over C, to D flat, da, 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 then D flat to D flat over F, then we go to E flat and drop. Yep, F sharp 9, F sharp 9 sharp 11, and then we're gonna go. It's a 7-3-6, and we'll walk up. And, all right. Then the ending. I'll hasten. Playing an E chord over F sharp. Actually, let's see. So I'm gonna walk up, F sharp over B flat, A flat over C, to D flat. Hey, of course, the signature Richard Smallwood lick. Okay, so if you wanted a more detailed breakdown of that, I highly recommend getting the MIDI file because that's going to be the easiest way to get every single note and chord exactly how it was recorded. Thank you guys so much. Hey, if there's any songs that you guys want, please send a donation. I've been so thankful and overwhelmed with all of the requests, but I've been having trouble getting to all of them in time. So if you please send in a donation, that would help me spend more time doing this, and I'd get to your songs faster. So thank you guys again, and I'll be off to some more tutorials pretty soon. Take care, guys.